What's up, guys? Peter Von Panda here. Man, it's 26 degrees out here. I wish there was a way to stay warm. Well, there is, and it's called a coat. And I picked up this jacket, found it in a store on sale, which is kind of funny because it's a little bit of a heavier jacket, and it is winter, so I would think you could charge a premium for these. But basically what I want to show you here is that it's by U.S. Polo Association. Now, I have shown you a lot of U.S. Polo Association stuff here on the channel before, and that's because it's been pretty good quality and it's very inexpensive. I mean, relative to a lot of other brands, from watches to boots to shirts. And so this is actually my first jacket, and I think it's called a puffy jacket, and what you might be able to see here is it's kind of ribbed. They also have a quilted one, which is like a diamond stitch pattern, and it's kind of this way all the way top to bottom as well. Now, they also have some other winter jackets, and because I found this one in the store, I can't guarantee that this isn't kind of a last season item, and so it might be a little harder to find, but I definitely jumped on their website and they have stuff that's pretty similar. Now, the other cool thing about this is that it's a hooded jacket, and you might be able to see here it's integrated a permanent hood, which is nice, but it's got a nice zipper here that goes all the way up and then curves in, so you get a really good hug on your cheeks and neck. And then you can see we have a little bit of elastic on the sleeve here, and then gray lining inside. Gray lining inside. And I will say here that it is really thin, but it does stay pretty warm, and zippered pockets right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw it on like this and zip it up because it's cold. And like I said, even though the thermometer's saying 26 degrees, this seems to be instantaneously pretty warm. Look at this. As you saw, I'm wearing a short sleeve Hawaiian shirt, baby. So really thin, works as a shell and as kind of like a down jacket. I'm not sure exactly what the fill in here is. Maybe it's a poly type of fill, but really thin. I got it in an extra large size here to kind of go over fleece vests and things like that I might be wearing. But again, short sleeve shirt, just this jacket, pretty cool temps, very comfortable. Look, I can go all mummy on you. Pretty awesome. I will put a link to it in the description if I can find this jacket or a similar one, so pick it up. It's a great way to spend 30 bucks and get a pretty decent jacket. Peter Von Panda, out.